Carpooling. Carpooling can be enabled at the time of the group creation or later by going to Group Settings and Advanced. Only a group administrator can change this setting. If multiple events are created for a group, then Carpool will be enabled for each of those events. To volunteer to drive or to ask for a ride, go to the Carpool section, select an event, and indicate if you need a ride or whether you can drive. If you can drive, then you can enter the number of people your vehicle can take. Once you volunteer to drive, then you can go to the pencil button at the top to view the people who need a ride, and you can select who you want to add to your car. An administrator can go and remove people previously selected or add people to a driver's carpool. There might be people or students who don't have a smartphone and don't have the GroupTrac app. To accommodate them, an administrator can go in and add the names of those people, and they will show up as people who need a ride, and drivers can pick them up, or the admin can assign them to drivers. Since the same people without a phone will need a ride in all the events, the admin can copy these people from one event to another without having to re-enter them every time. If there are multiple events, then you can also go to the Carpool section in Group Settings and on one screen indicate if you can drive or need carpool for various events. When users are added to Carpool or removed, they will get notifications on their phones to inform them of the changes.